Hi everybody, welcome back to part 4 of Songmaker. In this lesson, we're going to add notes to our song in two different ways. Come up here to the top left corner and click on these 4 arrows. Might look like the direction pad when you're playing a video game. You're going to see the arrows come out bigger. And let's click on the second arrow, the right arrow, and see that it selects this bottom square right here. We can enter notes by clicking the enter button and then moving around using the arrow buttons. Remember that you can skip, you can go up, you can go down, you can even stack notes on top of each other. Don't like anything you do? Come over here on the bottom right to the undo button and you can undo anything you've done all the way back to the beginning of the song. Now another way to add notes to the song, this is really cool, click on the microphone button and you can actually sing straight into the song. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, 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 oh. Let's see what I sang. Ah, twinkle, twinkle, that's right. Now I need to skip one right here. So when you're doing the microphone, you can use your arrow button to move around and skip. Oh, 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 oh. And that way I made it to the end of the song correctly. Play around with the microphone as much as you like. You could sing anything into this and it will select a note for you. I think you guys are going to have fun experimenting with that one. We're going to talk about some more stuff in the next part, but you've got a lot to work on. So I'll see you guys next time.